Okay. Good day. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure that you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
Noah. So please focus in the camera. If you feel unwell or if you feel something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did
Second,
you choose? Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose go Singapore or Hong Kong?
because I chose Malaysia, ma'am, because they are same time.
In the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself?
My name is Nina Carisma Porcado Cesbreño. I live in Davao City, but now I work here in Manila, Makati City, and I work a caretaker 20 24 to 20 23 to 24.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience. How old are you again?
35, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Do you have children?
No.
When is your birthday?
January 25, ma'am. 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
5 and 58, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Your family don't allow you?
Ay, allow, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
4.
What is your rank in your family?
Youngest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mom is died, ma'am, and my father is died too.
Okay, so your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia and we don't have any problem, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad. You worked in which country before?
Riyadh, ma'am, Middle East.
Riyadh. How many years you worked there?
2 years, ma'am, and 3 months.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2016, ma'am, to 2018.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities to your previous employer in Riyadh?
I'm take care her child, ma'am, and I clean all around to his
You do,
house.
you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you
Yes,
also take care of children. How many children?
two.
How old are those children?
The one mom is 5, and the second is 6.
Okay, after 2018, do you have any working experience in other countries or in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. Here
In,
in
in,
the
in the Philippines, as what? As a housemaid.
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Pampanga Angeles, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
3 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2021, ma'am, to 2023.
What month in 2021
September
until?
until I got 2023 December.
So you worked only for 2 years lang. September 2021 to December 2023. So you work for 2 years.
Okay, ma'am.
2 years or 3 years? Because you mentioned 2021 to 2023.
2021 to 2023.
So 2 years la. You worked there for 2 years.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
To clean, ironing the clothes of his child,
Okay.
and cleaning mom all around.
So you take care of each child also.
Yes, ma'am.
How many children?
Two.
How old are those children?
The children is 35 years old and the one is 17 years old.
So it's not children lah because they are adults already. So you do house chores only, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Because the one mom is have like a child.
Oh, okay. So it's a what? Disabled or what?
She's a
Or
disabled mom.
what do you call this? Uh, it's not normal one, is it?
Yes, ma'am. The one person I focusing and I cleaning. She is not the she is not probably like big big talking, only small talking. That's why she is.
Okay. So it's not new for you working abroad because you already got working experience in Riyadh, okay? But
Yes.
of course, you need to get ready yourself, prepare yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Riyadh in Philippines. I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is quite big and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile hand phone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will
Yes.
going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay. You can come. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I homework this, ma'am, to focusing my work, ma'am.
Okay. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.